Today we're going to be covering the creation of a stateless functional component in React.
You're a phony!
Okay, in this video we're going to cover creating a stateless functional component. So it's going to be the first time we're going to get into a little bit of coding, really, and we're going to look at outputs. So my component should return JSX, obviously, and my component should return a div element, and that div element should contain a string of text. So I'm going to close this out, erase these comments, and we're going to just return something because there's no state involved, so it's pretty simple. You just return, give a little space for the divs. So open up a div here, close one here, and then code Tony was here. Alright, let's see if I'm right or wrong. Let's try running this test. There we go. We passed. I hope this video helped you. Like, subscribe, comment if it did. See y'all next time. This is CodePony out.